I'll tell a tale, yeah. Of Maccabees in Israel, yeah. When the Greeks tried to assail, yeah. But it was all to no avail, yeah. The war went on and on and on, until the mighty Greeks were gone, yeah.
I put my lockers in the air sometimes, saying hey-oh, spin the dreidel. Just wanna celebrate for all 8 nights, singing hey-oh, light the candle. We say Alhamdulillah.
New Moon, Hanukkah, and Purim. The following courses are available in the subject area, New Moon, Hanukkah, and Purim. 1. New Moon, Rebirth and Restoration. 2. Hanukkah, a prophecy of the end of days. 3. Purim, coming soon. In the first course you will learn that the new moon is about rebirth and restoration. Regarding the new moon, how are we to celebrate the new moon? Should we follow the exile calendar? How was the new moon determined in the first century? What is the role of the Sanhedrin? Will we celebrate the new moon in the Messianic era? And how should we celebrate the new moon today? The nation of Israel is likened to the moon, and Israel is likened to the Davidic kingdom. Just as the moon goes through various phases of decline and renewal each month, so does the nation of Israel, as it is written in Psalm 89, verse 20, and 37 and 38. I have found David my servant. With my holy oil have I anointed him. His seed shall endure forever, and his throne as the sun set before me. It shall be established forever as the moon, and as a faithful witness in heaven. Selah. So we see here that the seed of David is as the moon. The moon is not going anywhere. Neither is the Davidic kingdom. It will endure forever. The Davidic kingdom arose, fell, and is prophesied to be restored through Yeshua the Messiah. The rise and fall of the Davidic kingdom is likened to the moon. Just as the moon is reborn after a period of decline and total disobedience, so too, Israel's decline will end, and it will once again blaze to fullness. The rebirth of the moon is likened to us being born again in Messiah. The rebirth of the moon is likened to the restoration of the tabernacle of David and the 2 houses of Israel. Our second course is Hanukkah, a prophecy of the end of days. The book of Daniel prophesies of a Greek ruler who will come and persecute the Jewish people in Daniel 8:23 and 24. This ruler was named Antiochus Epiphanes IV. A Jewish priest named Mattathias led a revolt, defeated the Greeks, and rededicated the temple. The celebration of this event today is called Hanukkah. Antiochus's decree that all people come under his rule and must adopt Greek culture. The evil decrees of Antiochus included: 1. The Jews should not follow the Torah. 2. The Jews should not offer burnt offerings or sacrifices in the temple. 3. The Jews should not keep the biblical Sabbath or the biblical festivals. 4. The Jews should not circumcise their children. 5. The Jews should eat unclean food, including pork. The purpose of these decrees was to restrain the Jewish people from following the Torah. Whoever did not follow these decrees was subject to death. These ancient decrees are a prophecy of the end of days when the beast system will require that all people on the earth follow the new world order. The sons of Zion will oppose the sons of Greece, as it is written in Zechariah 9:13. Yeshua will fight for Zion and defeat the beast system. Finally, don't miss our last, final, and 70th course, soon to be added onto this discipleship website, under this subject area, New Moon, Hanukkah, and Purim. What are the main themes in the book of Esther? Why is the name of God never mentioned in this book, yet his invisible hand is actively moving throughout it? Purim is not one of the feast days mentioned in Leviticus 23. Should followers of Yeshua as Messiah keep Purim? What do we learn from the book of Esther about prayer and intercession? What do we learn from the book of Esther about the sovereignty of God? How is the book of Esther and Purim connected to the end of days events? Take this course and find out.
And the great menorah, for 8 days it kept on burning. What a celebration, a great return to Torah learning. 'Cause I can feel it, and Nes Gadol, Nes Gadol, Nes Gadol Hayasham, Nes Gadol Hayasham, Nes Gadol Hayasham, Sham, Sham.